Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I moved on to the next problem, onto the 56 Chevy, fixing the gas gauge.
What's the matter? What are you going to change?
I'm going to replace the sending unit. I'm going to get that done because I'm sure it's that. I'm going to show you how to test the system to see if the sending unit is bad or not. Never use air tools on this sort of a thing. God forbid, because this is gas related and all that, it could spark and then you don't want to know what happens after that. You already know. Okay, so here's what we got. Oh, well, there's my problem. This is the ground.
Well, that could be the reason why it doesn't work. This
Right.
thing's older than the United States, probably.
I know where it went. Yeah, found it. Told you.
Magic trick.
No, it was in here. Good old Dorman.
It's a Dorman part.
Big time.
Beautiful. Look at that. All right. Beautiful. There you go. Dorman actually makes a lot of these for a lot of different cars, you know.
You know, I got a brand new gas tank and sending unit in my Volvo.
That's all Dorman stuff
That's
too?
all Dorman. Almost the whole fuel system on that car is Dorman.
Well, whatever you change. Then.
Whatever
Yeah.
I change. Right.
All right.
So,
Here we
this is
go.
your
Let's knock it
gaskets.
out. New screws. That comes in handy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm putting this wire on the sending unit wire. This way I can make sure this is definitely a problem. So now, that's connected. So what we're going to do is put that wire onto the sending unit wire. And then this end of the wire is going to go on the new sending unit. Then I'm going to ground it. After this wire is connected onto this sending unit, I'm going to move the float. And we're going to see if the gas gauge moves. Okay. Now that the sending unit is temporarily, obviously, wired up, I'm going to move the float nice and slow. And we're going to see if the gas gauge moves. Now, I'm going to install it now that I know that the old sending unit was the problem. I'm going to lift up the car and install this. Alright, good. I should more or less have under a half a tank. Let's see. Check it out. Half tank. That's it. It's fixed. Now that that's fixed, there's one more step. Start it.
Started.
Right.
What if somebody sees it? Only if you tint the windows. I got a headache. Anyway,
yeah, but hyper.
I can't be
No.
hyper.
Look. See?
Taking over the world.
No, I said hyper. No.
Taking over the world.
One Dorman sending unit at a time.